Hello my friends. Here I'm going to change the ground drive belt on my Husqvarna. And first thing you want to do is remove your mower deck, which I did, and then I hoisted it up so that I can access the belt. Okay, once the mower deck's off, you need to loosen this bolt, and it's a right-hand thread. You have to block this from turning because it'll turn the engine if not. So I already got that loose, and this will come apart in 3 sections, 2 pulleys and the clutch. There's the bolt. There is the pulley and the clutch, and here is the drive pulley for the ground drive. Okay, you can see the belt here. It's kind of tore up. It's off the pulley. Once that's off, this pulley comes off. The tower side is up, and inside you can see that there is a keyway. Keyway matches the keyway in the motor. You have to push the brake and lock it, and that takes tension off of this drive, off the drive belt. Now, this is a plastic fan. We have to have this loose. And you don't want to break those fan blades. Replacing the belt, you just do everything in reverse. This drive pulley, the long extension, goes up. You have to match the keyway. Okay, I'm going to release the brake. That should tension the pulley. Okay, it'll help hold that pulley on the shaft. The clutch and the pulley, right now they're still together. Okay, on the clutch, there's this slot. This has to hold the housing from turning. And right here is a pin. That's where this slot goes. Okay, this hole right here is going to go into the slot. That other slot just won't reach because of the wire. Okay, that did it. Okay, it's in the slot. That pin's in the slot, and the keyway is matched. Now we have to get this connected to the motor. Okay, that's it. The wires, I'm going to have to zip tie them up out of the way. We don't want them rubbing. It's touching this cross arm. Everything else is good. Now just need to tighten it, and that's done. Put the deck on and do some mowing. Taking the deck off can allow you to power wash the underside and give it a good coat of paint. Usually a deck will wear out or rust away before the tractor is done. So if you can keep the deck running in good shape, you can have a long mowing tractor. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.